This is the Swiss Safe 5-in-1 Magnesium Ferro Rod Fire Starter Survival Tool. The Swiss Safe Ferro Rod is a great tool to take with you for camping and hiking, but it can be a little bit challenging to learn how to use. So we're going to be testing it out tonight and practicing our skills in our fire pit. All right, let's get this video started. So with this is what we're trying to do, is we're trying to keep the metal still and then pull the ferro rod back. You can see where we get some sparks. So this is the part that's a little bit tricky. If you just drag the metal across it, you don't get as good of a spark, but if you pull it backwards, you get more spark. If you're having a hard time getting the sparks, you can start with some dryer lint because it's really combustible. You can also try it with a knife if you're having trouble with the included little blade that comes with it. There we go.
See, that was way easier.
So a knife is a little bit easier. We just used a knife. You can use the little saw that comes with it, but you can see you can get a lot more spark with it. And now we got our little fire going. Just putting some little sticks in here to get it going, but that got our fire going. So yeah, look at that. So the trick is you have to hold the piece of metal that you're striking against, the Swiss ferro piece of metal. You have to hold that perfectly still while you drag the ferro rod against it to create the spark. And that can be a little bit tricky. That's why a knife with a handle on it is a little bit easier, because if you have a good knife with a handle, it's easier to hold that still while you drag the ferro rod against it to create the friction. But yeah, now we got a nice fire going. It's a great place to practice this. Just practice it on your fire pit until you get comfortable with it. And then when you go camping, you'll have the skill down and you'll be all ready to go. So yeah, this thing's pretty nice. Yeah, look at that fire.